In this question, the average of a non-decreasing sequence of n numbers a1 all the way up to an is 300. If a1 is replaced by 6a1, the new average becomes 400. Then the number of possible values of a1 is questioned. So if average of a1 to an is 300, that means if I add all these values and when I divide it by number of numbers, I should get 300. So that makes the sum of a1 plus a2 all the way up to an to be equal to a 300n. So I'm going to take this as the first equation, and if I'm going to replace a1 by 6a1, that is 6a1 plus a2 all the way up to an added when divided by number of observations should give me 400 according to the question. So that means a1 plus a2 all the way up to an. When a1 is replaced by 6a1, then the average is 400, means then the total will be what? 400, and I'm going to keep this as my second equation. If I subtract the first from the second, that is going to be a 5a1 to be equal to 100n. If 5a1 is equal to 100n, then a1 will be equal to 20n. Now we are looking at different possible values for a1. So for that I have to consider the values of n. N can't be equal to 1, because if n is equal to 1, then the average can't be equal to 300. So the minimum value of n should be 2, and it can range from 2 to all the way up to 15. So that means number of numbers from 2 to 15 will be 14 numbers, and 14 is the answer for this question.